Monica T. Wade, on probation for felony firearm possession, faces the judge for failing to report after a new arrest. She pleads true, blames miscommunication, but the judge isn't buying it. What starts as routine turns tense, ending with a jail sanction and a looming felony case.
Denny Callahan, defense.
And are you Ms. Wade?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Remote Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Monica T. Wade who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 8093 for the offense of felon in possession of a firearm on January 25th, 2024 for a term of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes.
State?
Violated condition number 1, Your Honor. In condition number 11. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. According to condition number 11, the state is alleging that on or about the 20th day of May 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Monica T. Wade, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer on the next working day after being released from jail for a new arrest in violation of condition number 11. How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State, any other violations?
Waive and abandon the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 11, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 5 years in prison
Yes, ma'am.
and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 11?
Yes, ma'am.
Court is finding violation of condition number 11 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, to impose jail sanction, but otherwise continue on supervision.
Your Honor, we ask that the time that she has already served be considered as JSAT on the jail sanctions, that the court is going to go that direction.
All right. So why should she be continued? What has she done on probation? She's been on probation since January of 2024. What has she done? Probation?
Hi, Judge. Since January of 2024, she's submitted 3 negative drug tests with the most recent of 6/17/2024. She has completed her mental health evaluation. Her parenting class is complete as well. And that you waived her community service hours with that completion of the parenting class. There's been a total credit of $150 for her fees and fines. And that's it, Judge.
All right. So she's pled to having been arrested and not report to probation after her arrest. What has she been arrested for?
May I address the court?
Yes.
Felon in possession. That case is still pre-indictment pending. It's independent of the resolution of this case.
All right. So she's on probation for felon in possession of a firearm. I know the state has not proceeded on the violation that you just mentioned, the felon in possession of a firearm. But my concern is that she was arrested and she didn't report to probation after her arrest. So does she want to explain to the court why she did not do that?
Yes.
All right. Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Monica Wade.
All right. Why didn't you report?
Well, when I initially got out of jail, I was not informed to go to report to the office.
I'm sorry, you was not?
Informed to go report to my probation, but I contacted my attorney because my concern was I going to be issued an MTR immediately since they gave me the
No, but it's in your conditions that when you're arrested, you need to contact probation and let them know. That's one of your conditions. Am I wrong in that?
No.
Okay. So you knew you were supposed to report after an arrest.
Okay. So then when I contacted the attorney, I asked him, I said, is there an MTR that was issued? Because if that was the case, I would like to see if I could do a satellite walkthrough. That way we'd have to go through the whole process of sitting in jail and doing all this and all that.
Well, no, let's go back to the fact that you knew, because you had conditions of probation, that when you're arrested, and you just told me you knew when you're arrested and you're released, you have to report to probation. So what I'm hearing from you, and if I'm wrong, correct me.
Okay.
What I'm hearing from you is the reason why you didn't want to report to probation is because you didn't want to get arrested and have to wait at the jail. You wanted to do the easy way and see if you could do satellite. Am I correct in my interpretation?
No, ma'am. When
All right.
I did get the rules and the regulations on, I did not know until after the fact, when I was contacting my attorney about this MTR, is when I got my probation paperwork and I read it, and it did state that I had to report after. I was not aware of it before.
No, but they go over conditions with you, every condition.
I must have not heard it. I just didn't. So that's why I didn't go report immediately, but I had been reporting with no problem. I haven't given them any issues. I'm on top of the classes. I'm on top of.
At this point, the judge zeroes in on the most critical part of probation. Don't get arrested again. Monica tries to explain her delay in reporting, but her own words hint that she understood the rule, just not the consequences of breaking it. This is where courtroom credibility is everything. When a defendant's story shifts under questioning, judges pick up on it instantly. In your opinion, is Monica genuinely confused about her probation terms, or just trying to avoid the immediate fallout? Let us know in the comments, because in probation court, the difference between misunderstanding and manipulation can be the deciding factor between freedom and jail time.
January of 2024, what has she done? Probation?
The judge. Since January of 2024, she's submitted 3 negative drug tests, with the most recent of 6/17/2024. She has completed her mental health evaluation. Her parenting class is complete as well, and that you waived her community service hours with that completion of the parenting class. There's been a total credit of $150 for her fees and fines.
Anything else you wish to say?
No.
All right. And what jail time are you all asking for?
The credit that she already has is how much? 25.
So, well, no, how much time is the state asking for her as a condition? I'm not giving you credit for the 25 days. You're going to go into custody today. All right, the court will deny the motion. Alternate mean conditions to include 25 days in the Bexar County Jail. Upon your release.
And there we have it, Monica Wade's probation violation. Hearing ends with a clear message from the court. Follow your conditions or face real consequences. Despite her defense highlighting completed classes, clean drug tests, and fee payments, the failure to report after an arrest was enough to land her a 25-day jail sanction, effective immediately. The judge also set her pending felony case for a hearing in 60 days, meaning this story isn't over yet. If you found this case as revealing as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more intense, unfiltered courtroom breakdowns, because every case tells a story you won't want to miss.